In a village nestled among towering trees and whispered secrets, there lived a woman known only as the Veiled Lady. Her presence was like a shadow drifting through the cobblestone streets, her face forever hidden beneath a veil of midnight silk. Rumors swirled around her, whispered tales of her origins lost to time. Some said she was a sorceress, her powers woven from the fabric of dreams. Others claimed she was a lost princess, fleeing from a kingdom shrouded in darkness. Yet, despite the speculation, no one knew the truth of the Veiled Lady's past. She dwelt in a crumbling mansion on the outskirts of the village, its ivy covered walls a testament to its age. From behind the veil, she watched the world with eyes that seemed to pierce through the very fabric of reality. And though the villagers spoke of her in harsh tones, there was an undeniable allure to her mysterious presence. One stormy night, when the wind howled like a banshee and the rain beat a frantic rhythm upon the earth, a young boy named Thomas stumbled upon the Veiled Lady's mansion. Seeking shelter from the tempest, he knocked timidly on the weathered door, his heart pounding in his chest. To his surprise, the door creaked open, revealing the dimly lit interior of the mansion. And there, standing in the flickering candlelight, was the Veiled Lady herself. Her presence seemed to fill the room, casting a spell over Thomas that he could not explain. With a gesture of her hand, she beckoned him inside, her voice like a melody that danced upon the air. And as Thomas crossed the threshold into her domain, he felt a sense of wonder wash over him, as if he had stepped into a world beyond his wildest dreams. For hours they spoke of secrets long forgotten and mysteries yet to be unraveled. The Veiled Lady shared tales of distant lands and ancient legends, her words painting vivid pictures in Thomas's mind. And with each passing moment, he found himself drawn deeper into her enchanting embrace. As the storm raged on outside, Thomas lost track of time within the confines of the mansion. But when dawn finally broke and the first ray of sunlight pierced the darkness, he knew that he could not stay. With a heavy heart, he bid farewell to the Veiled Lady, her image etched into his memory forevermore. Years passed, yet Thomas never forgot the mysterious woman who had captivated his heart on that fateful night. And though he searched far and wide for traces of her existence, she remained as elusive as a whisper in the wind. But in the quiet moments of the night, when the world was cloaked in darkness and the stars twinkled overhead, Thomas would close his eyes and remember the Veiled Lady, a timeless enigma forever shrouded in mystery. Thanks for watching.